I am home now, just getting ready for bed. I'm a little delayed on my bedtime because I was driving Zoe home. But it was raining, you know, I felt bad. Not really, but I was like, I should drive her. What's this on the floor? Oh, some old work. I'll put it over here and I'll deal with it tomorrow. Anyway, what was it? Yeah, so I'm just getting for bed, make sure the door's locked, all that stuff, yeah. So yeah, I'm off to bed a little bit later than usual. It's almost 11 o'clock, so that's pretty bad on my part, but I'm probably gonna still wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. So yeah, battery's running low, so I'm gonna quickly wrap this up just in case the battery decides to die, because I can't tell with this indicator. But yeah, so pretty lackluster week. Met with Erin and Ian at the beginning, and then just pretty chill. Next week I don't know what's happening. I don't think anything's happening. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog normally or do an ASMR one or do a James thinking out loud. I haven't decided. We'll find out. You guys will find out eventually the week after. But yeah. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you all next week.